Hi, this is David, and I am here demonstrating today how easy it is to use the Lawson panel frame. Here's an example of what we call panel mesh. It is available in a wide variety of mesh counts, basically anything you want. And these frames are available in 3 different sizes: the standard 2024, 2028, and 23 by 31. I will demonstrate how easy it is to insert the mesh panel into the locking strips. And then I will proceed and stretch the frame. Very simple. And I'm actually going a little slower for demonstration purposes than I would probably do in real life, just to show you exactly what to do. The locking strips are inserted. I take my stretching tool and put it on the locking bar, and you hear that little click. For convenience sake, I'll turn the frame. Hear that sound? That is the sound of you making money. That's the sound of the mesh being locked in place without the use of any adhesive whatsoever. This is perhaps the most environmentally friendly frame available on the planet. Now let's check the tension. 29 newtons, checking both the warp and the weft, a perfectly tensioned screen. Now, it gets even better. First of all, let's look how easy it is to remove the mesh. Again, the clicking sound is the sound of you making money with the panel frame. What I'm going to do here, which is exceptionally innovative, is take a panel mesh that's already been imaged and already printed on a prior job. Take a look. This has already been used once before. The customer called back and wants to order more shirts. Not a problem with the panel mesh. Simply insert it into the locking strip, just like before. Your locking tool locks in place. Here I'm going to demonstrate tensioning without spinning. Hear that? So whatever is most convenient for you to stretch, that's how we recommend it. I'm ready to print this job again, a repeat order. The Lawson panel frame.